Hello, thank you for taking a few moments to learn about how Siemens' new MD series power metering solutions can support your energy improvement goals for your equipment, your facility, or your campus. Energy efficiency is more than just a buzzword today. Improving energy efficiency can reduce operating expenses for your customers' buildings in times of increased energy prices. But how do you get started with your energy reduction process? We have learned you cannot fix a process you cannot measure. These power meters accurately measure your facility's voltage, current, power, or energy usage and can communicate these measurements to a building automation system for purposes of data logging, trending, or performance display at the building's operator workstation. The meters are flexible enough to provide data by total system or by phase, by power consumed or generated. This allows you to measure and baseline the power and energy usage for the processes or areas you wish to improve. With an accurate knowledge of the baseline energy usage, you can then develop specific strategies to improve energy efficiency. After the energy reduction solutions are implemented, these same power meters provide the data needed to validate the energy efficiency improvements. Power meters also provide an important element within a building automation system. MD series meters can provide peak demand data to support HVAC equipment load shedding functions that support energy reduction strategies. These cost-effective power metering solutions are highly accurate, allowing use in applications including electric and lighting panel load analysis, activity-based cost allocation, and tenant sub-billing. They also provide data for ongoing monitoring of energy usage. There are many uses for these meters. Let's briefly look at two use cases for power and energy metering in conjunction with a BACnet-capable building automation system. Buildings represent a large untapped potential for energy efficiency improvement, according to a 2012 World Energy Outlook report. It is estimated that only 19% of buildings have realized their energy efficiency potential. In recognition of this, the latest LEED 4 standard now requires the use of power metering to achieve LEED building certification. Calculating or estimating energy is no longer adequate. It must be measured. A second well-known use case is created by growing legislation for improved energy efficiency in federal, state, and public buildings. The EP Act of 2005 began this trend by legislating that all federal buildings be metered for electricity. These legislative initiatives have now migrated to state and local levels, often requiring energy reduction goals for city and state facilities. So what makes these new Siemens power meters a good fit for these electrical power and energy metering applications? This MD series power meter supports an industry-leading number of measurement parameters compared to other power meters of its type. These meters go far beyond basic power and energy measurement, including true, reactive, or apparent power and energy metrics. These meters can provide data by system or by phase. They also allow measurement for both power usage or power generation for cogen applications. It will both cost-effectively support the baseline power measurement needs of today while being capable for use with the detailed energy usage diagnostic metrics of your future. In short, it's one of the most flexible power metering devices of its type. The feature set is quite impressive. The meter meets the ANSI C1220 2010 Class 0.2 standard, which is considered revenue grade class, supporting sub-metering applications. Siemens MD series meters are provided as pre-configured kits consisting of 1 meter and 3 current transformers, or CTs, supporting a full line of hinged or split-core CTs and Rogowski coils. They come factory pre-configured to the CT amperage rating, so your field installation time is greatly reduced. There are communication options to allow interface to most any BAS or control system. One model can communicate with BACnet MSTP or Modbus RTU. A second model adds Ethernet with BACnet IP and Modbus TCP. New this year is a backlit display model to add local data verification during installation. A new USB port was added to simplify use with the free Viewpoint service software. These meters are line powered from 80 to 600 volts AC phase-to-phase power from your panel. No separate power supplies are required. The meters include one pulse digital output capable of emulating power meter outputs. And finally, it carries all the appropriate listings, including UL, CUL, CE mark, along with a new 5-year warranty. Let's take a brief look at the wiring connections. Connections are simple with color-coded plugs. One red plug for panel power wiring, 3 green plugs for your current transformers, and 2 black plugs for BACnet or Modbus communication and the pulse digital output. The new USB service tool port is located on the side of the meter, along with the optional Ethernet jack. The meter is designed to be mounted inside an electrical panel using the 2-way mounting tabs or with the new DIN rail mounting feature. The competitive landscape for metering is large and growing as a result of the demand caused by the use cases noted earlier. The new Siemens MD series has superior features and has been fully field tested with our building automation system. It represents the high quality you would expect from a Siemens labeled power meter. As for availability, these new power meters are available with 2 metering families. First, a BACnet MSTP Modbus RTU protocol meter, the MD BMS. Next, a BACnet and Modbus model adding a backlit display and Ethernet BACnet IP or Modbus TCP called the BMED. Each meter style is available in a specific bundled kit, which include the MD series meter with 3 CTs. These kits are a 100 amp or 200 amp metering kit using hinged CTs, a 400 amp or 600 amp metering kit option using split core CTs, and finally a 16 or 36 inch 4000 amp Rogowski coil metering kit option. All brochures, sales releases, technical specifications, installation instructions, and user manuals are available electronically via Siemens Vantage sites and are available for online ordering via web shop. For more detail on these exciting new power metering options and for more detail regarding network architecture, ordering information, and pricing, please review the Siemens sales release document, which is SR855T for the BACnet Modbus power metering kits for the Siemens BACnet channel. Thank you for taking time today to learn more about the new Siemens MD series power metering kits. If you have any questions or need further information, my name is Stan Diedrich, Marketing Product Manager for these power meters. Please contact me at the email address or phone noted here. Thanks for watching, and best wishes for your new energy efficiency challenges. The MD series power meters are there to help.